You won't believe what this tiny shrimp can do. The red pistol shrimp may be small, but it's got a banging talent. This little crustacean can snap its claws so fast it creates a bubble bullet that travels at 60 miles per hour. And get this, the snap is so powerful it can stun prey and even break glass. We talk about a shrimp with a punch, but that's not all. When the bubble bursts, it creates a flash of light and a sound louder than a gunshot. Yep, it's like the shrimp has its own underwater fireworks show. Next time you're at the beach, remember, the ocean is full of surprises, and the red pistol shrimp is one of the coolest critters around. Keep exploring, science buffs.